801 billion, that's the total value of Canadian trade. 30%, that's the percentage of GDP that Canadian exports bring to our economy. Over 200, that's the number of countries with which Canada trades. The incredible evolution of international trade has led to tremendous opportunities, growth, and challenges. Established and emerging markets pose hurdles in the form of customs and security regulations, shifting global supply chains, and changing policy priorities. Companies involved in the global marketplace have no roadmaps and no trails to follow. i.e. Canada charts the course. Compliance, customs, and the supply chain all impact a business's bottom line. Companies operating in the global marketplace want information and programs that mitigate risk, reduce costs, and make them more competitive. i.e. Canada provides businesses across Canada with the information they need to be global leaders. The complexity and speed at which regulations change means that companies need someone to speak for them and to advocate for their competitiveness. i.e. Canada is the only association dedicated to the promotion of Canada as a trading nation. We are the reasoned voice of the trading community. We have built a reputation as problem solvers and consensus builders. Our aim is to advance the interests of Canada in the international trade arena and to ensure that Canadian traders have the tools necessary to succeed globally. Join us. We are i.e. Canada. We speak for the Canadian trade community. We are where importers and exporters come to get things done.